Okay, we are live on Facebook, no? Nandiyan na po sa chat box natin yung ating link. You can start sharing them to your group chats, or if you have friends or family na gusto niyo invite dito sa webinar natin but are not able to come into our Zoom, pwede niyo pong i-share yan, no? They can watch that live stream live, or they can watch it at their own face, no? Kung kailan sila available, pwede nilang panoorin yan. All they need to do is just go to our Facebook group page. Good morning po to everyone once again, yung mga bagong pasok pa lang. We will start in 1 minute. Agnes Salazar, hello sa'yo. Modesta Ilagan, hello. Repeat to you. Okay. Alright, siguro let's get started na, no? It's 17 minutes past 12 here in the UK. 7:17 na po dyan sa Pilipinas. Let's get started dahil marami pong maagang nag-plug in dito sa Zoom natin, no? Let's not punish them and let's not reward the latecomers, no? Kung gusto nilang pumasok mamaya, they can catch up, no? Tignan natin kung maintindihan nila lahat ng information, okay? So, good morning po once again to everybody. Let me mute everyone. Okay, you're all muted now. Ibig sabihin, you won't be able to interact with me all throughout the presentation. Pero don't worry if you have any questions sa lahat ng information na ibibigay ko po sa inyo. We have the end of the presentation as an open forum, no? Lahat po ng question nyo, pwede nyo ibato doon para lang dire-diretso po tayo, no? I'll be doing the presentation today, and I'll be your host as well, no? Dahil mukhang hindi available si Sir Anton, so don't worry, sabi nga ni Kuya Germs, no? The show must go on, di ba? Sorry, I was distracted by my son, no? Anyway, magandang umaga po muli sa inyo lahat and welcome sa ating digital business presentation. I'd like to thank everyone for sparing your time to join us today, no? Pero on my part, sisiguraduhin ka naman po that I will be able to pass on my excitement to you about this business opportunity, no? Sana po ay maintindihan nyo lahat ng information na i-share ko sa inyo. Makinig po mabuti kasi pagka meron kayong mga information na hindi nakuha, baka hindi nyo makita yung real potential itong business opportunity na to, no? So let's get started. Let me share my screen to you. Okay, once again, welcome sa ating digital business presentation. Yung picture na nakikita nyo, it will make sense to you. It will all make sense to you later on, no? Pagka pinesend ko na sa inyo yung business opportunity natin. Whatever your reasons are for coming here, siguro iba sa inyo are looking for a new challenge in life, no? Medyo sawang-sawa na kayo sa trabaho na ginagawa nyo for several years, no? Gusto niyo na makakawala pero hindi pa pwede dahil wala kayong choice, no? Wala kayong ibang pagkakakitaan, no? So today, we'll give you something to be excited about. Sana maintindihan nyo, sana makita nyo yung potential nito at sana, no? After the presentation, you can make that decision to join us and be part of this great and exciting business opportunity. So, pakilala ko po lang po muna yung sarili ko, no? For the sake of those who don't know me, yung mga nandito for the first time, no? I'm sure you got invited and you may be wondering, no? Sino ba itong sasalita sa harapan nyo, no? Ako po si Paul de Guzman, no? Nagsimula po ako sa negosyo na to sometime in 2000, no? So, katulad nyo, nakinig din po ako sa isang speaker who was conducting the Zoom meeting that day, no? Pero in reality, ako po isang registered nurse, no, by profession, working as a charge nurse in the UK for 23 years. Dati din po akong financial advisor, ibig sabihin nagbebenta ako ng mga financial products tulad ng mga insurance, no? Tapos nag-venture din po ako into a franchise business, no, dito po sa London, no. I owned a sushi franchise basically, no, for 3 years. Kaya lang nagkaroon ng pandemic, no, and I could not possibly manage the business because of my health condition. So I had to give that up. Pero blessing in disguise, dahil bago ko i-give up yung franchise business na yun, nakilala ko naman po itong negosyo na to na i-share ko sa inyo, no. I've been doing this for the last magpo 4 years na ngayong, actually 4 years na ngayong April, no. I started in the peak of the pandemic, no, while I was on isolation. Kaya nga no, inimbita ako ng kaibigan ko dito sa negosyo na to sabi ko sa kanya, naglolokohan ba tayo, di ba? Ano namang negosyo ang mag-work during the pandemic crisis? Lahat ng tao nakulong sa kanilang mga bahay, tumigil ang mundo, ang daming mga negosyo na lugi, ang daming mga tao na nawala ng trabaho, no? So, medyo sarado yung isip ko that time. Tinanggihan ko yung nag-invite sa akin. However, kakakulit niya, and also na matalik na kaibigan ko to, no, at mentor ko na rin pagdating sa mga sa negosyo and lifestyle. So sabi ko, ba't hindi ko pakinggan muna, no, bago ako maggawa ng desisyon kung gusto ko ba yung negosyo or not, no? So true enough, I attended a webinar like this na ina-attendan nyo ngayon. After the presentation, nabuksan po yung isipan ko, no? I realized na itong negosyo po na ito is something that I can do at the comfort of my own home, no? So kahit nakakulong ka lang sa bahay, pwede mong gawin ito, no? You don't have to go full time, no? Hindi ko na kailangan i-give up yung trabaho ko bilang nurse, no? I can do the business after my duty on my day off, no? O kaya sa gabi, no? Kumbaga, employee by day, tapos businessman by night, di ba? And true enough, after 1 week or 2 weeks lang, kumita na ako sa negosyo, and I slowly climbed up the ranking, yung ladder dito sa negosyo na to, and I'm now a director 1-star dito sa negosyo. And that's the same thing that I want you to realize about this business opportunity, no? Na kaya nyo din gawin itong negosyo na to, whatever your background is, no? So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about two of the most important things in life, no? Yung pera po tsaka yung oras, no? Sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, no, a very successful entrepreneur, no, na author din po ng Rich Dad Poor Dad. Money is not money cannot buy everything, no? But pero yung money daw affects, no? Money affects everything that we do on a daily basis, di ba? Kaya importante po yung pera. It's not the most important thing in life, but it affects all the most important things that we do on a daily basis. Nag-agree po ba kayo dito or hindi? Type 1 lamang po sa chat box if you agree with that, no? Ang pera po ay napaka-importante, pero mas importante daw po yung oras. Ang problema, hindi ka magkakaroon ng maraming oras kung wala kang maraming pera, di ba? 4 lang naman po ang klase ng tao sa mundo pagdating sa oras at pera. Unang-una, yung taong maraming pera pero walang oras, no, para sa kanyang pamilya. Pangalawa, yung maraming oras pero wala namang pera, di ba? Pangatlo, yung walang pera tapos wala pang oras. Yun siguro yung pinakakawawang tao sa mundo, no? Pero ang gusto natin mangyari lahat yung pang-apat. Yung magkaroon tayo ng maraming pera at magkaroon tayo ng maraming oras so we can enjoy the money that we work hard for, no? May spend natin yung oras natin for the other important things in life. Pag marami ka ng pera at marami ka ng oras, meron ka na nung tinatawag na financial freedom, di ba? Yan po yung dalawang elements ng financial freedom. Pag sinabi naman pong financial freedom, ibig sabihin, you have the freedom to quit the job that you have been doing but hate doing for the last several years, no? Ibig sabihin, pwede mo na makain yung mga gusto mong pagkain. Pag pumasok ka sa magandang restaurant, ang titignan mo na yung left side ng menu at hindi yung right side ng menu, no? Pwede ka na mag-shopping to the max, no? O kaya yung wife mo, pwede na mag-shopping to the max. Pwede ka na ring makabili ng dream house mo and enjoy it, di ba? With your family, you can spend a lot of time with your family and you can even travel abroad. No, yung pagising ng umaga, gusto mo pumunta ng Hong Kong, ng Korea, ng Japan, no? Walang makakapigil sa iyo. Yung walang magdidikta sa iyo if you want to have a cup of coffee, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan ng coffee break or tea break, di ba? At hindi mo rin kailangan merong magdikta sa iyo kung anong oras ka gigising at anong oras ka matutulog sa gabi because you have to go to work, di ba? So, basically, financial freedom, financial independence, financial retirement, whatever you want to call it, yan po yung target natin. And yan po yung kayang ibigay nitong business opportunity na to kung gagawin natin ng tama at gagawin natin with all our commitment. Okay? So, ang hinihiling ko lamang po upang maintindihan nyo itong business opportunity na to is for you to have an open mind. Sabi nila, pagkabukas daw ang ating isipan, natututo tayo ng mga bagong skills, no? Nakakakita tayo ng mga bagong options sa buhay at na-appreciate natin yung mga bagong opportunity na dumadating sa harapan natin. Minsan, nandiyan na sa harapan natin, hindi pa natin makita, di ba? Sabi nga ng mga pinaka-successful at pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo, what separates you and the things that you want in life is your willingness to change your mindset. Pagka nagbago na yung mindset, no? Lahat siguro ng opportunity na makikita mo sa harapan mo, mga golden opportunities yan. No? Mamimili ka na lang kung ano yung passion mo, ano yung gusto mong gawin, di ba? So, let me present to you this business that we call the business of the 21st century. Isang negosyo na para sa lahat. Bakit? Kasi isang negosyo na ito na pwedeng gawin ng kahit sino, pwedeng gawin kahit saan, at pwedeng gawin kahit kailan, no? Anywhere, anyone, and anytime, di ba? Hindi mo rin kailangan ng malaking kapital dito, maliit na puhunan lang, pwede ka nang kumita ng even 10 times more than what you're earning from your full-time job. Dito pwede kang kumita in euros, pwede kang kumita in the form of digital assets tulad ng NFT tsaka ng cryptocurrency, which we will discuss later on, no? Dito pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro ka. Pero ito yung pinaka-exciting. Pwede ka rin kumita dito habang natutulog ka, no? But don't take that literally. Hindi ibig sabihin na pagpasok mo pa lang dito sa negosyo, matulog ka na ng matulog at umasang kikita ka ng malaki dito, no? You have to build the foundation of the business first. And that would require you to invest some, no? Let me emphasize, some of your time, not necessarily lahat ng oras mo, 2 to 3 hours a day, pwede na, no? Some of your time, no? Some of your effort, no? Ilagay mo dito sa negosyo na to and makikita mo later on, kahit natutulog ka, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung income mo dito. Dito transferable din yung yung kikitain mo dito, no? Pwede mong iwan na sa legacy, ipamana doon sa next generation ng pamilya mo. At ang importante, itong negosyo na to is a 100% mobile business. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong dalhin kahit saan. Wala tayong geographical limitations, no? Kasi hindi mo kailangan ng opisina dito. Ang pinaka-opisina mo dito, yung mobile phone mo. So as long as you have a mobile phone and you know how to use it, how to make money from it, then you are qualified, more than qualified enough to do this business opportunity. Meron nga tayong smartphone, pagka mahal-mahal, iPhone pa or Samsung, no? Pero hindi ka naman kumikita out of it, no? So hindi smartphone yan, di ba? Today, we will learn how to convert your mobile phone into a powerful income generating machine. No? Diyan tayo magde-deposit, diyan tayo magwi-withdraw ng kikitain natin out of this business opportunity. Okay po ba yon? Are you excited to learn more about this business opportunity? So let's get started. Pag-uusapan po natin ang kumpanya, pag-uusapan natin yung mga powerful products and services natin, pag-uusapan natin yung kung paano ba tayo kikita dito sa negosyo, no? Pag-uusapan din natin kung paano ka magsisimula dito sa negosyo. Ngayon, ang unang tanong ko sa inyo, no? Have you ever been part, no, of something na magsisimula pa lang, no? And you have a feeling that it's going to be big, no? Kaya lang nagduda ka, no, natakot ka, no? Tapos hindi ka pumasok. Tapos later on, after several years, lumaki yung something na yon, no? And you are no longer part of it. Anong mararamdaman mo, di ba? Mapapasana all ka na lang, no? Magsisisi tayo, di ba? So, si Facebook, we had the chance to buy the stocks of Facebook, no? When it was just starting, no? Pero hindi natin ginawa, no? Dahil sabi natin, ano lang yan, pad lang yan, no? Pero now, no? Baka hindi mo na ma-afford makabili ng stocks ng Facebook, no? We have Tesla ni Elon Musk, ganun din, di ba? And of course, ang pinaka-remarkable yung Bitcoin, di ba? Yung Bitcoin started in 2009, no? Narinig nyo yan first time. Tapos hindi tayo nag-invest dahil kala natin scam, no? Pero ngayon, no, napakalaki na ng value ng Bitcoin na yun. At mamaya papakita ko po sa inyo kung ano yung dapat natin pagsisiyan dyan. But let me give you the company first, no? The company is called C1. Isa pong affiliate marketing company na nag-ooperate before, similar to Uber, to Amazon or Booking.com. Ibig sabihin, walang produkto pero meron siyang isang napaka-powerful na online marketing platform na pinapagamit niya sa iba't ibang company to market their products and services, no? I'll give you a perfect example. Ang Uber, meron ba siyang sariling taxi? Wala, di ba? Pero every time na magbubook ka ng taxi sa Uber app, no? Yung ibinabayad mo sa taxi, percentage of that goes to Uber. Amazon, ano ba mga binibenta dyan? Amazon brand ba? Hindi naman, di ba? Halimbawa, gusto mo bumili ng rubber shoes sa Nike. You go through Amazon, no? Magkano yung binayad mo sa Nike? Part of that, napupunta kay Amazon. Gusto mo mag-holiday sa Amerika, no? Nag-book ka ng hotel through Booking.com. Pag-aari ba ng Booking.com yung hotel? Hindi. Pero, part of the money that you paid for the hotel napupunta kay Booking.com. All over the world yan. Merong mga affiliate hotels yan, di ba? Kaya ang yaman nila no? Milyon-milyon ang kinikita ng Uber, ng Amazon at Booking.com for the products that they don't own. Ganun din po si C1, no? Meron tayong mga affiliate companies nagma-market ng kanilang mga produkto at serbisyo, ginagamit yung ating powerful online marketing platform. Tapos percentage, no, that we pay for those companies napupunta kay C1. Ang ganda nito kay C1, very generous and kind, no? Pinaparte niya yung kinikita niya sa ating mga partners niya, no? Tayo yung tinatawag ng mga affiliates, no? So we are partners of C1, no? So binigyan tayo ng sustainable na business opportunities, no? Ayan po ang vision ng company, mabigyan ng sustainable business opportunities ang lahat, no? Gusto nilang tulungan ng humanity to thrive by enabling everyone the chance of success. And that is exactly what they are doing after 5 years, no? 5 years na po ang ating company, and phenomenal na naging growth ng ating company. We became the #1 multi-level marketing company in the world, which we started in 2019. Ngayon po meron na tayo sigurong aabot na tayo ng mga 55 to 60 million affiliates worldwide, no? Operational tayo in 185 countries to date, no? Sabi ko nga, wala tayong geographical limitations. To celebrate our 5th year, no, nag-release po ang company ng limited edition anniversary 5th year anniversary edition ng C1 magazine natin, where they are going to where they featured the most powerful products na i-release po ng company at i-launch, no, very very soon, no? At yan po ang pag-uusapan natin today. No, let me introduce you to the company that steered this company for many more years of success. Si Mr. Jonas Erik Werner, a visionary founder of C1 who is from Sweden. Isa po siyang IT expert na mayroong more than 25 years of successful entrepreneurial experience. Nandiyan din po ang ating interim CEO, si Martin Blisma, who is from Netherlands naman po, no? Pareho silang mayroong malawak na experience pagdating sa industriya na ito. Now, I was talking about Bitcoin, no? Sabi ko in 2009, napakababa po ng value ng Bitcoin. Kayang-kaya nating lahat bumili ng isang Bitcoin, no? Wala pang piso, 0.001 of a dollars. Ang if I remember it right, in 2009, ang palitan pa lang po ng dolyar is 1:43 or to 46, no? So, napakaliit po. Kayang-kaya natin bumili ng isang Bitcoin. But what stopped us from buying one Bitcoin, no? Yung takot, yung duda, ayaw nating ma-scam. Kahit piso, ayaw nating ma-scam kasi masakit sa damdamin natin yun, no? So, karamihan sa atin ay hindi naniwala, no? 14 years after or 15 years after, 2024 na ngayon, no? 2024, ang value na po ng isang Bitcoin ay umabot na po ng mga $65,000. Minsan nga, umabot pa ng $70,000 yan, eh. Nagpa-fluctuate, pero ganyan na po ang inabot ang value ng isang Bitcoin na dapat nabili natin in 2009, no, ng 0.001 of a dollar lang. Eh hindi natin binili. So hindi tayo multimillionaire ngayon. Ngayon, according to this Bitcoin price prediction chart, by 2030 baka umabot ng $100,000 ang value ng isang Bitcoin. Baka nga hindi umabot ng 2030 kasi 2024 65,000 na, eh. No, baka next year lang umabot na ng $100,000 yung value ng isang Bitcoin. Can you imagine, no, kung ano yung na-miss nating opportunity? If only we believe, di ba? So na-miss out na natin yan. And we don't want that to happen again. So yung company natin is now tapping into the cryptocurrency industry. Yun ang maganda dyan, no? Una, mag-i-introduce ang company ng tinatawag nating C1 Wallet. Yan po yung powerful digital product natin, no? A global wallet system connected to Web3 and the Metaverse. Yan po ang magiging secure storage ng ating C1 token at ng C1 NFT and other powerful cryptocurrencies. Parang Coins.ph, parang Binance, parang MetaMask, no? Digital wallet yan. Ang laman yan, mga digital currency natin, no? Na pwede naman natin i-cash out or pwede natin gastusin yan. Pero ang pinaka-importante mangyayari in the next few months is the launching of the C1 token. And we are given by the company, no, as part of their anniversary gift para sa atin, we are being given the opportunity to take our place as pioneer. Groundbreaking opportunity para sa lahat, no? Pioneers tayo. Ibig sabihin, magiging part tayo ng pagsisimula nitong C1 token na to. And we all know, we should realize where this is going. Katulad ng nangyari sa Bitcoin, no? eto na, no? The company is giving us this opportunity. So we have to get ready for it. Dahil ang C1 token po will become one of the most valuable token pool in the world. Ang aim po ng company, dalhin ito sa number 1 place in the Polygon blockchain and become one of the top 5 cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, we have the advantage. Bakit? Kasi yung Bitcoin and Ethereum, nung nagsimula sila, wala pa silang market, no? Pero tayo, meron ng captive market. More than 50 million nga ang members ng C1 natin, no? All over the world. So, ibig sabihin, meron na nag-aabang, nagagamit nitong token na to. Kaya nga ang tawag dito, utility token, no? Meron ng captive market. So, pag-launch lang yan, pwede magsimula ng mababang value pero baka mabilis tumaas ang value niyan because of that captive market, di ba? And the only opportunity para magkaroon tayo nitong C1 token is to become part of this C1 business opportunity, which I will explain and expound to you later on, okay? So, iwan muna natin yung C1 token, babalikan natin yan maya-maya. Let's talk about the other products and services ng company. Yung company is tapping into the NFT trading and gaming industry. Meron tayong mga gaming platforms where you can play to earn tulad ng Planet IX and Metaverse. Company is also tapping into the mobile gaming industry. Sino sa inyo yung mga na-addict sa mga entertaining games like Candy Crush, Angry Birds, no? Yung mga ano pa ba, yung mga Tetris, di ba? Yan po yung mga mobile gaming, di ba? Meron tayong Emperor Knights na tinatawag, produced by our company affiliate called Rebel Nation. The company is also tapping into the online education industry through Mindo and Tigra. Nandiyan din po ang travel and lifestyle with our excellent product, yung Travelia. And as I've mentioned, the company is launching soon the C1 wallet and the C1 token. We are tapping into the cryptocurrency industry. No? Yan na po ang ano ngayon. Kung before ang ginagawa natin, mag-trade tayo ng mga stocks, ng mga forex. Ngayon po, no, ang number 1 na natitrade ngayon sa industry na to yung cryptocurrency natin, no? And again, all these products and services are all in one business package, no, na ipapaliwanag natin maya-maya, no? Ang importante lang maging parte tayo nitong negosyo na to. Right, pag-usapan natin yung iba't ibang products and services. Yung mga main lang, no, hindi ko na madidiscuss sa inyo lahat. Let's watch this video about Planet IX and Metaverse para malaman nyo kung paano kayo pwedeng kumita habang naglalaro at nag-e-enjoy kayo ng Planet IX at Metaverse. So, lakasan nyo lang po yung volume ng phone or ng computer nyo para maintindihan nyo po itong mga videos na ito.
The year is 450 after Earth. Agents of change have unknowingly returned to their former home. They call it Planet IX, a world destroyed, full of ancient ruins and wastelands. Their mission is simple: restore, rebuild, and resurrect. Planet IX is an NFT-based strategy game, offering a fun and challenging path to earn rewards in the game's own currency, IX token. The game went on-chain in November 2021 and has since experienced strong growth. Planet IX is currently ranked as a leading game across all blockchains, with more than 100,000 wallets connected daily and over 220,000 wallets holding IXT. The game consists of 4 hubs, all integrated to create a dynamic user experience catering to a broad audience. Trade and build. Planet IX is a digital rendition of Earth, divided into 1.7 billion hexagons called PIX, each one a tradable NFT. Collect PIX with the aim to form territories by connecting a number of adjacent PIX on the map, as territories unlocks IXT rewards. PIX can be acquired directly on Planet IX's own marketplace or in special packs. In Marketplace, you may also trade other in-game assets to be used strategically in the part of the game called Mission Control. Farm and play to earn. In Mission Control, you can monetize your assets when placing PIX on land tiles. The task will start producing waste, which can be collected either manually or through time-saving technology like drones and rovers. In Planet IX, waste serves as a valuable resource that can be converted to consumable assets, which are needed to build facilities. Facilities produce energy, the ultimate asset in mission control, as energy can be spent on exclusive packs or staked for IXT rewards. All in-game assets are NFTs that you own and monetize. This is Planet IX's free-to-play and play-to-earn mechanic. Staking and DeFi. As you start building territories or producing energy, you can head over to IX Foundation, Planet IX's GameFi platform. Here you may lock up your collected assets to earn IXT. IX Foundation also offers staking rewards for staking IXT, as well as providing liquidity, creating a natural landing page for anyone who owns or is interested in IXT, gamer or not. Gaming and esports. Whether you want to enjoy just a casual game or a multiplayer competitive one, visit the IX Arena. IX Arena is funded by revenues generated from Marketplace and Mission Control, and by playing the games, you have the chance to earn IXT. This provides an excellent opportunity for new players, as you can use your winnings to explore the full Planet IX experience in Marketplace, Mission Control, and IX Foundation. To find out more about Planet IX and start playing, head over to planetix.com.
So yan po yung Planet IX, no? An engaging, no? Blockchain-based strategy game na ang objective natin dito ay bumili, magbenta at mag-trade ng mga digital land at mga digital assets tulad ng mga NFT, no? And we also enjoy playing the game while earning. Basically, dyan pa lang kay Planet IX, pwede ka nang kumita ng malaki in the form of another crypto token, yung tinatawag na IXT, no? So, yan po yung Planet IX natin. The next product is even more promising and more exciting. Ito po, ang Planet IX is now available. Pwede na nating laruin, pwede na nating pagkakitaan. Ito pong susunod is something that will also be launched by the company in the next few months, no? And this is promising to become even bigger than Planet IX. Number 1 na ang Planet IX sa blockchain-based strategy game natin, no? Sa Polygon natin. And Metaverse, with Metaverse, I think the same thing will happen. Magiging number 1 din ang Metaverse natin. So, watch out for this Metaverse.
Enter a world where you call the shots, where you make the decisions, where you reap the benefits, where your trading skills are your superpowers. The most immersive virtual trading game in the multiverse. From a global crew of designers and the best game developers in the world. Learn, trade, interact, grow. Play to earn right now in real time. With powerful virtual trading portfolios. The game of the future. With the edge of crypto and the blockchain. It's the start of a revolutionary new world. The world of Metaverse. Your new superpower.
Right, another exciting and engaging game, no? Itong Metaverse, ang objective naman natin dito sa game na ito ay bumili, magbenta at mag-trade ng mga virtual stocks sa mga virtual companies that are only existing in the Metaverse, no? So, ngayon, pwede na natin din pagkakitaan yan on its own, no? Pahabang nilalaro natin yan. The next product na gusto ko i-present sa inyo is tapping into the travel and lifestyle industry. No? Sino po sa inyo yung mahilig mag-travel? No? Bukod po sa plane ticket, ano yung pinakamahal na gastusin natin pagka nagta-travel tayo? Yung hotel, di ba? Minsan hindi natin afford yan, kaya nag-bed and breakfast, o kaya nakikitira tayo dun sa mga kakilala natin on those particular countries na gusto natin puntahan, no? But not now, no? I'm sure narinig nyo na po yung mga booking.com, hotel.com, at Agoda. Now, you as a C1 affiliate, you now have access to your own travel portal or hotel booking engine. Ang Travilla po has access to more than 800,000 hotels and resort accommodation worldwide. And this, by being a subscriber of Travilla, it gives you special discounts up to 65% po ang pwede nating makuha, no? With booking.com, you can get siguro pinakamalaki na yan, mga 10 to 20%, no? But with Travilla Plus, you can get as much as 65 to 70%, no? Sa mga hotels. Kaya baka kahit presidential seat pa dun sa hotel na yon, kayang-kaya na nating ma-afford yan for our family travels, di ba? So let me show you another video to make you understand what Travilla is. So booking hotel made easy para sa atin ng Travilla, no? Right at your fingertips. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa yung mga travel agents para i-arrange yung mga hotel accommodation mo, no? With Travilla, you can basically do everything, no? And of course, up to 65% ang pwedeng ibigay sa atin. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the only way, no, na maging part ka nitong, na magkaroon ka ng C1 token at magkaroon ka ng access dun sa mga exciting products and services natin ay becoming part of the C1 business. And you can only do that if you own a C1 NFT element package. Apat po yan, no, pwede natin pagpilian. Yung Earth, yung Air, yung Water, yung Fire. These packages, no, will allow us to tap into the Web3, into the cryptocurrency industry, into the blockchain, into the metaverse, and we are using the most powerful method of distributing product na tinatawag na network marketing. Okay? Now, let's talk about these packages, no? Ano ba yung laman ng mga packages na yan? Let's start with the Earth package. Ito po yung parang pinaka-starter package natin, no? For only 129 euros or 8 to 9,000 pesos, meron ka ng Earth package. Ang laman niyan, meron ka ng isang NFT na tinatawag a non-fungible token or digital asset. Ibig sabihin yan, pag sinabing non-fungible, irreplaceable, unique, limited edition, no? At ang pinakamaganda dito, ang Earth NFT natin is the Genesis Generation NFT ng C1. Ibig sabihin, kauna-una ang NFT na pinroduce ng ating company. So its value is expected to appreciate, no, mag-i-increase yan in time. Hindi lang po NFT ang magiging pag-aari mo, magkakaroon ka na rin ng access kay Metaverse at pwede mo na rin malaro yung Planet IX and start making money while playing. Pero ito yung pinaka-importante. Meron kang 750 tokens na makukuha out of your Earth package, right? But you can also start on a bigger package, yung Air package natin for only 319 euros or 22,000 pesos. Dalawang NFT na ang bibigay siya ng company, including the Air NFT. You get 1,875 C1 tokens. Pag Water package naman, for only 819 euros or 50 to 55,000 pesos, tatlong NFT na ang magiging pag-aari mo, including the Water NFT, plus you get 5,525 C1 tokens. And lastly, yung Fire package natin, pinakamalaki, no, pinakamakapangyarihan, 2,519 euros, 150 to 160,000 pesos. You get 15,000 C1 tokens. You get 4 powerful NFT, the Earth, the Air, the Water, and the Fire. No? And of course, you've got Metaverse and Planet IX. So yan po yung 4 na packages na pwede natin pagpilian in order to start this business at para magkaroon tayo ng C1 token na tinatawag. Of course, with the C1 token, you can earn independently on the C1 token, passive income yan. Mamaya papakita ko po sa inyo. But the company is so generous, kung hindi mo pa rin afford yung from Earth package na 129 euros, meron tayong tinatawag na special Earth package, which is available for a limited period of time. 79 euros lamang po yan ang makukuha natin, isang Earth NFT, at meron kang 500 C1 tokens, and you get all these binary points, rank points na i-explain ko sa inyo later on. Okay? So yan po yung special Earth package natin. Right, so now, let's talk about the C1 token na nakapaloob dun sa packages natin. Ilan ba yung C1 token na makukuha natin? As I've mentioned, for the Earth package, you have 750. For the Air, you have 1,875. Yung Water, 5,525. Yung Fire, 15,000. Meron din tayong tinatawag na Fifth Element Edition where you can get 26,250 C1 tokens. Yung Fifth Element NFT package natin. So yan po yung 5 packages that will allow us to have these C1 tokens. Ano ba yung significance ng C1 tokens na yan? Remember yung Bitcoin, nung lumabas siya, napakaliit pa ng value. Tapos after several years, tumaas na po yung value niyan. Ganun din po ang in-expect natin mangyari sa C1 token. So imagine, kung nag-launch yung C1 token, piso lang ang halaga ng C1 token na yan. E di yung 750 na C1 token mo with the Earth is equivalent to 750 pesos. Diba? Pero kung meron kang Fire, 15,000, C1 tokens, meron kang 15,000 pesos. Pero pagdating sa cryptocurrency, you don't just think of the now. You think of the future. Yung then, later, yung later pala, yung future ang iisipin mo, like what happened to Bitcoin. What if in 1 to 2 years, or 3 years, umabot ng $1 yung value ng isang C1 token natin? E di yung 750 mo, magkano na? E di $750. Yung 15,000 C1 token mo, if you have a Fire package, magiging $15,000. Diba? Yung 26,250 dun sa Fifth Element package mo, magiging 26,250. And I'm only talking about $1 lang. Yung Bitcoin, umabot na ng $65,000 ang isang Bitcoin. Could that possibly happen with C1 token? Of course, di ba? And we don't want to miss another golden opportunity like this. Kaya dapat ngayon pa lang, we are preparing ourselves and we are grabbing that opportunity to take our place as pioneers dito sa ginagawa ng C1 company natin, di ba? So eto na yung pagkakataon natin at wag na nating palampasin ito. Okay? Now, the company also gives us more opportunity para magkaroon ng mas maraming C1 token, Mag-ipon na tayo ng mag-ipon para pag-launch itong C1 token, marami na tayo, At nakuha natin sa murang halaga lang, di ba? Yung power bundle na ito, which will maximize our C1 power pagdating sa C1 token, You have the Earth power bundle up to the Fifth Element power bundle. Naglalaman din po yan ng napakaraming C1 token. So if you purchase the Earth Power Bundle for 99 euros lamang po, meron kang additional na 1,000 C1 token. Pag Air naman po for 219 euros, meron kang 2,500. Pag Water for 489 euros, 7,500 C1 token na makukuha mo. Pag Fire naman, 1,259, you get 20,000 C1 token. And Fifth Element Package for 1,649, meron kang 35,000 C1 token dun sa Fifth Element Power Bundle natin. So great opportunity to increase the volume of our C1 token para pag-launch ng company ng C1 token at mataas na yung value niya, mataas na rin yung magiging equivalent ng C1 token natin, di ba? So napaka-exciting po. For old members naman who has not claim your o wala pa kayong mga element packages, you still have a chance, Meron kang 3 option diyan. Yung unang option, you can get 10%, of your base C1 token. Kung ayaw mo magbayad ng administrative fee, libre po, Wala kang babayaran, but you only get 10%. Second option naman, magbayad ka ng 19 euros na administrative fee. Yung number of C1 token mo, yung base value niyan, i-multiply ng company by 2. Third option mo, mag-upgrade ka to any element packages from Earth to Fire package, O gusto mo, Fifth Element pa, plus bayaran mo yung 19 euros na reactivation fee, eto mangyayari sa'yo. If you purchase the Earth package, times 3 yung C1 token mo. Pag Air, 4 times yan. Pag water, 6 times. Pag fire, 8 times. Pag fifth element, 10 times multiplier ang ibibigay sa atin ng company. So, another great opportunity para dumami yung C1 token natin before the launching. Right. So, paano ba tayo kikita dun sa C1 token, no? The company has not released the ways to make money out of the C1 token, but just like any other cryptocurrency, ito po yung paraan para kumita sa cryptocurrency, no? Number one, yung capital appreciation na tinatawag, no? Magkaroon ka lang ng C1 token, no? Kahit patulugin mo lang yan dun sa C1 wallet mo, no? Tataas, bababa ang value yan, pero ito maganda. Historically, sa history ng crypto, no? Pag bumaba siya, aakyat uli yan. At pag umakyat siya, mas mataas siya doon sa pinanggalingan na value, no? Kaya nga lumaki yung value ng Bitcoin, no? Parang mga forex din, mga dollars, mga pounds, no? Pataas lang ng pataas yan, no? Imposibleng bumaba yan kasi part of the na economy yan, di ba? So, pangalawa, pwede ka play to earn, no? Kasi yung C1 token natin gagamitin yan sa mga gaming platform natin, possibly kay Metaverse, possibly kay Planet IX, no? Mapalitan yung IXT token natin, baka C1 token na rin ang kikitain natin diyan. Pangatlo, yung staking. Ano yung staking? Parang time deposit. 'Di ba? Naglagay ka ng malaking pera sa bangko, ang ginagawa ng bangko binibigyan ka ng mas malaking interest, 'di ba? Kesa dun sa savings account, di ba? Pero maliit pa rin, di ba? Pero dito, pag in-stake mo yung C1 token mo, pinahiram mo sa company, and the company you will use it to invest on something else, no? Dahil pinahiram mo for a specific period of time, halimbawa 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, no? Binibigyan ka ng company ng reward on a daily basis. Kaya lumalaki yung value ng C1 token mo. So yan lang po yung 3 samples kung paano tayo kikita sa C1 token, no? Passive income po yan. Pero there are also other ways para kumita dito sa negosyo na to. And let's talk about that, no? Let's talk about the compensation plan nitong C1 business natin, no? Kasi yung C1 natin is using the referral scheme basically, no? Parang referral system po ito, no? Magre-refer tayo ng ating mga kaibigan, mga kakilala, mga kapamilya, no? Kapatid, kapuso, lahat po ng KKK nyo. Pwede nyong invite at i-refer dito sa negosyo na to. And you will make money out of those referrals. Now, 4 na major bonuses ang binibigay sa atin ng company. You have the sales bonus, the crowd bonus, the matching bonus, and the monthly residual bonus. Yung sales bonus up to the monthly residual bonus gives us an opportunity to earn in crypto again. Dito pwede tayong kumita in Bitcoins or pwede kang kumita in Euros. Okay? It's your choice. Sales bonus, no? Binibigyan tayo ng opportunity na kumita, no, ng percentage nung subscription do sa mga products and services natin. Halimbawa, mayroon kang refer, nag-subscribe kay Planet IX, nag-subscribe kay Travilla, no? Part of that napupunta sa iyo, no? Pero yung pangalawa, yung crowd bonus, no? It also allows you to earn in Bitcoins. Magre-refer tayo, no? I-share natin yung business opportunity to everyone, KKK mo, no? At ang gagawin ng computer system ng company, di-divide yung mga referrals mo into 2 teams, left and right yan, no? Depending on the package na binili nila, nakakaipon tayo ng mga tinatawag na business points from 55 BP up to 1,250 business points. Yan ang pagbabasihan kung magkano ibabayad sa atin na crowd bonus ng company. Pero minimum yan. Pagka meron kang isang referral na kumuha ng Earth package sa left at isang Earth package sa right, 1:1 yan, 11 euros ang minimum na pwede mong kitain, no? And it could be more, depende kung gaano karami yung referrals mo, depende kung anong package ang kinuha ng mga referrals mo. Pero itong kagandahan dyan, hindi lang yung personal referral mo ang binabayaran ng company sa iyo, pati yung referral ng 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 referral mo up to the unlimited level, no? Matching bonus naman. Matching bonus, binibigyan tayo ng 10% bonus ng company. Depende kung magkano kinikita ng mga direct referral mo, yung mga personally ikaw nag-refer. No? Pag kumita sila, you get 10% out of it in the form of Bitcoin once again, no? So habang dumadami yung mga direct referral mo na kumikita sa negosyo, lumalaki din yung kinikita mong matching bonus. Kaya nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng support system, no? Nagkakatulong-tulungan tayo kasi pag mas malaki yung kinita nila, mas malaki din ang matching bonus mo. Imagine 10% dyan. Kung meron kang 10 direct referral, kumikita ng tigo 100 euros, edi meron kang 10 euros sa bawat isa, meron kang 100 euros. No? Paano pa yung mga nasa ilalim nila, yung mga refer nila, di ba? So napakaganda po ng batching bonus kasi it allows you to earn what we call residual income, no? Kasi padadating yung time, no, kahit mag-holiday ka, tumigil ka, no? Pero yung organization mo gumagalaw, merong mga bagong pasok, no? Merong bagong referrals, kumikita sila, you get 10% out of their income. Okay? Ito yung pinakamaganda, yung monthly residual bonus na, again, monthly natin makukuha from the company. Ang ginagawa ng company, percentage of their profit based on the sales of the products and services worldwide. Nilalagay nila sa isang basket. Nilalagay nila sa isang profit pool na tinatawag. Whatever the amount of money is doon sa profit pool na yan, ibabahagi sa ating lahat ng mga members ng C1, no, mga business partners. Pero yung makukuha natin, nakadepende kung ano yung rango mo. Ano yung network leadership level na tinatawag, no? Pwedeng team leader, coordinator, manager, director, president, senior president, at ambassador level. Okay. Siyempre, pag mas mataas ang level mo, mas malaki ang makukuha mong residual income buwan-buwan. Parang pension na yan. Kung nandito ka sa mababa, team leader to manager, hindi pa ganun kalaki yan dahil marami maghahati-hati dyan. Yung mga nagsisimula pa lang, di ba? Pero habang umaakyat ka from director to ambassador level, no, lumalaki din yung monthly residual income na nakukuha mo from the company. Okay? So, ang kagandahan dito, walang demotion. So, pagka na-promote ka to director or to manager, hindi ka na babalik dun sa mababang posisyon. Paakyat ka na lang ng paakyat. So, ibig sabihin yung residual monthly income mo, paakyat na rin ng paakyat. Okay? So, yan po, yung 4 na major bonuses. Highlight lang po, pinakita ko sa inyo, pero there are other bonuses, no, na pwede natin kitain dito, like the fear of loss bonus, no? Marami pa po, no? Pero we will show that to you during the training na, no? Ang importante, alam niyo yung pinaka-basic. Right, so the company also has a referral club competition. Another way para dumami yung C1 token natin, no? So, since nagre-refer ka na, lumaban ka na sa competition, padamihan lang naman ang labanan dito, no? For the month of April, magbibigay ang company ng 5 million C1 token sa lahat ng papasok sa top, I believe it's top 1,000, no? Na mga makakapag-refer, no? Pag nandun ka sa top 10, sigurado million ang makukuha mong million C1 token ay bibigay sa'yo ng company. Now, for us to get all the bonuses na pinakita ko sa inyo, kailangan meron kang activity points, no? The products has to move or nobody gets paid. Gets paid. Ibig sabihin, no, partner tayo ng company, dapat tulungan din natin ang company na kumita para tayo ay masustain din natin yung negosyo na binigay sa atin ng company, no? So we have to patronize the products and services ng ating company. And that's how we generate activity points, by subscribing to the products and services ng ating company. Ganito lang po yan kasimple. Yung company nagre-require sa atin ng tinatawag na personal activity points tsaka yung group activity points na tinatawag. Okay? Group. Ibig sabihin yung buong organization mo, no? So, pagka director ka, pag team leader ka up to coordinator, ang kailangan mo lang 5 activity points personal. Ang group activity points mo 5 din, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin yung personal mo enough na. No, hindi mo na kailangan ng additional. Kung meron pa, mas maganda. Pero kung wala, yun lang 5 personal mo, okay na yan. No? Ibig sabihin, qualified ka na to get all the bonuses. Pero pag manager ka, to director ka, to president, senior president, to ambassador, pareho pa rin yung personal activity points na nire-require sa'yo ng company. Hindi nagbabago, pero nagbabago yung total group activity points mo. Habang umaangat ka, lumalaki din yung activity points na nire-require sa'yo ng company dahil lumalaki naman yung income mo dito sa negosyo natin. So that's all you need para makuha mo yung mga bonuses natin. Okay? Now, how do you generate activity points? Pwedeng subscription ng AstroCap Meta Shares ng Planet IX, no? Pwedeng 1 month yan, pwedeng 6 months, pwedeng 12 months. Ang bawat month subscription mo, equivalent to 5 activity points na kagad yan. So kung 12 months subscription yung kinuha mo, in the next 12 months, hindi mo na problema yung personal activity points mo. Plus, you also earn direct sales bonus and you also earn residual bonus dito. Nandiyan din po yung Travelia. Yung Travelia, pwede ka magkaroon yan ng libre. Pero makukuha mo lang discount sa mga hotels mo, mga 10% discount lang. But if you subscribe to the Travelia Plus, kailangan mo magbayad, no? Pwedeng 1 month for 59 euros, 6 months 269 euros, or 12 months 529 euros. Again, ang bawat 1-month subscription mo, equivalent to 5 activity points yan. Okay? So those are the 2 ways for now na kailangan natin gawin para magkaroon tayo ng activity points dito sa negosyo. So para ma-avail natin yung mga bonuses na pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina. Okay? So yan po, lahat ng information na kailangan nyong malaman, no? Para maintindihan nyo yung potential ng ating negosyo. But if the information is not enough for you, don't worry, araw-araw meron tayong mga educational na mga materials na pwedeng i-share sa inyo. Meron tayong mga trainings, merong mga Zoom meetings, no? Nandiyan din po yung mga YouTube tutorials created by the company and the top leaders of this business. Nandiyan din po yung mga online education platform natin like Mindo. Nandiyan din po yung ating personal C1 dashboard natin. Lahat yan, na-update yan ng company every day. We can get a lot of information there para matutunan natin how to run this business, no? Kaya, whatever your background is, sabi ko nga, nurse ka, accountant ka, lawyer ka, engineer ka, piloto ka, doktor ka, baliwala lahat yan, no? Because you can basically learn about this business opportunity, learn the ins and outs of this business opportunity in a very short period of time, no? Kaya nga, maraming successful dito sa negosyo na to na merong nuclear engineer, no? Yung top ambassador natin dito, nuclear engineer, no? So, whatever your profession, whatever your background is, pwede ka dito sa negosyo na to. Okay? So, turuan ko kayo kung paano kayo magsisimula dito. Unang-una, join the crowd, no? Ibig sabihin, join, no? Sign up as an affiliate of C1, no? Merong invitation link na isi-send sa'yo yung nag-invite sa'yo. Click mo lang yon and then start the signing up process. Purchase the package that suits you. Kung risk taker ka, negosyante kang mag-isip, kunin mo na yung FAR package, no? Yun ang pinaka-best package. You can maximize your earning potential. Pero kung gusto mo munang i-try yung maliit na package, subukan mo muna. Nandiyan po yung Earth package natin for 129 euros or an even smaller package, yung Special Earth natin for only 79 euros. Ang importante, makapasok ka na sa negosyo and start making money out of it, no? Number 2, share natin yung mga produkto natin, no? Huwag natin ipagkait sa kanila. Mag-recommend ka ng products natin, build ka ng customer base mo. Number 3, mas importante, ipakita natin yung opportunity to everyone. Show the plan. Marami ngayon nangangailangan ng mga ganitong klaseng opportunity, no? Especially after the pandemic crisis, tapos nagtaasa na yung lahat ng mga bilihin natin. Marami nang nagising na hindi sapat yung kinikita nila from their employment, no, sa trabaho nila. Hindi kasya talaga. Kahit anong pagbalik-balik ta rin mo, hindi talaga kasya ang kinikita ng bawat sa atin sa employment, no? Dahil sa laki ng mga bills natin, no? At patuloy pang lumalaki yan. So kailangan talaga meron kang side hustle. Dapat meron kang business on the side na tinatawag, di ba? So invite mo yung mga kaibigan mo, yung mga kakilala mo, no? Mag-build ka ng team of business partners natin. Number 4, get rewarded, no? As long as you are an active and productive affiliate ng C1, no? You can expect a lot of incentives and bonuses from the company at ibibigay sa atin lahat yan. Okay? So, no? Nakita nyo na yung negosyo, how powerful the products are, how rewarding is the compensation plan, and how generous our company is, no? It's now time for you to make that very important decision that could have an impact in your life 5 to 10 years from now, di ba? Kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon, how you feel about it, kung success ka ba o failure, is because of the decisions you made 5 to 10 years ago. Di ba? Byproduct yan, di ba? Ngayon, kung ano yung decision na gagawin mo ngayon about this business opportunity will have a great impact in your life 5 to 10 years from now, no? So, you have to make that decision, di ba? Huwag mo sayangin yung isang oras na pinanood nyo ko, pinakinggan yung mga information, tapos naisip mo na kaya mong gawin yung negosyo, pero mapipigilan ka ng kung ano-ano lang, di ba? Sabi ko nga, let's not miss out the opportunity. Let's not make this opportunity be another opportunity that got away from us, di ba? So, importante you make that important decision. Marami sa atin ang gusto magbago ang takbo ng buhay natin, no? Pero how many of you are willing to do something different, no? Para magbago yung takbo ng buhay. Nanalangin ka, umaasa ka na magbago yung buhay mo. Pareho lang naman ginagawa natin araw-araw, no? Gising sa umaga, pasok sa trabaho, no? After 5 o'clock, balik sa bahay, nood ng TV, na-traffic ka ng 3 oras, nood ng TV, kumain, tapos tulog ka na naman, tapos gising ka na naman sa umaga, pasok na naman sa trabaho, di ba? So do you expect something? Do you expect your result to change kung pareho lang ginagawa mo araw-araw? It will never happen. Sabi ni John Maxwell, you'll never change your life until you change something that you do daily. Sa panahon ngayon, sabi ng mga pinaka-successful at pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo, yung ginagawa mo sa trabaho mo between 9 to 5 or whatever time you go to work, no, is not the one that's going to make you rich or achieve financial freedom. It's what you do outside your job. It's what you do after 5 p.m. Kung anong gagawin mo, kung saan manggagaling yung extra source of income mo, yun yung magpapayaman, yun ang mag-aalaw sa'yo para makuha mo yung tinatawag na financial freedom. Okay? So, ngayon meron tayong opportunity sa harapan natin, brought to us by C1, no? Ngayon, ang problema natin, ang challenge sa atin is to build the tomorrow that we want, no? Kailan yon? Dapat ngayon din, hindi bukas, hindi tomorrow, di ba? You build your tomorrow now, you don't build your tomorrow or in the future, di ba? So, yun yung sabi po ni Ken Poiro. We have an opportunity in hands now. Nandito na. Huwag na natin sayangin. Let's grab it by the neck, no? Huwag na natin pakawalan yan. Wala namang mawawala sa atin, eh. When I attended the webinar, no, for the first time, ang tanong ko lang sa sarili ko, no? What have I got to lose? Ano bang mawawala sa akin? And the answer is wala. Kasi para sa akin nga, this is 100% risk-free na negosyo. Bakit? Yung nilabas mong 129 euros or 79 euros man yan, no? Meron ka naman makukuha eh. You can make money out of Planet IX. You can make money out of Metaverse pagka na-launch na yan, no? You can make money out of the C1 business, no? Even if it doesn't work for you, sulit pa rin yung binayad mo, no? Because of the opportunity. Pangalawang tanong ko sa sarili ko, what's in it for me? Ano ba yung mapapala ko if the business works for me? No, and the answer is financial freedom. No, pwede mo makamit yung financial freedom through this business opportunity, di ba? Kasi unlimited yung potential ng negosyo natin. Kaya huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Get started now, no? Maraming salamat for joining me today in this presentation. At I hope, no, na napasa ko sa inyo excitement. I hope na naintindihan nyo lahat na information na share ko sa inyo. And I hope you're going to use that information to make, no, a decision about this business opportunity, no? Make a decision for yourself and your family. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.